Good morning students, student of class 8th. Today in this video we have discussed exercise 11.2 of chapter 11 from question number 9 to onwards. In the previous video we have discussed from question number 1 to 8. So look at question number 9. The ratio of the parallel sides of a trapezium is given 2:3. The distance between them is 15 centimeter. If the area of trapezium is 600 centimeter square, then find the length of the parallel sides. So ratio is given. So first we let the first parallel side equal to x and the second parallel side be 3x. Because ratio is given, so we take the variable that is x, so 2x and 3x, these are the parallel sides of trapezium, and distance between them is given 15 centimeter. That means height is given 15 centimeter, and area is also given, area equal 600 centimeter square. 600 centimeter square. Then apply the formula of area of trapezium. 1/2 sum of parallel sides into height. That is the area of trapezium. Put the value of all of these. Area is given 600, so 600 equal 1/2. Parallel sides are 2x and 3x, so 2x plus 3x, and distance between them, that means that is height. So height is given 15. Then solve. So 600 into 2, that is equal to 1200, equal 2x plus 3x is equals to 5x. So 5x into 15. 1200 equal 5x into 15. So x equal 1200 upon 5 into 15. Then divide 15 into 120. So equals to 80 upon 5. 5 into 5, 5 is 30. So x equal 16. So we have find out the value of x, that is equals to 16. So hence first parallel side equal, that is 2x, 2 into 16, 16 2 32 centimeter. So this is your first parallel side. The second one is given 3x, so 3 into, put the value of x, that is 16, so 3 into 16, 16 3 48 centimeter. These are the lengths of the trapezium. Parallel sides are, first one is 32 and other is 48 centimeter. Now question number 10. Area of trapezium is given 0.05 and its height is given 20 centimeter. One of the parallel side is shorter than the other by 8. Then find the length of the longer parallel side. Area is given 0.05 meter square. Height is also given 20 centimeter, and one parallel side is shorter than other by 8. So we have to let the first side be x and the other parallel side be shorter by 8, x minus 8. This condition is given in the question. One parallel side is shorter than by other by 8. जो पहली parallel side है दूसरे से कितनी कम है? 8. तो इसमें से कोई भी एक कम हो सकती है. Then apply the area of trapezium. Area is given 0.05 equal 1/2 sum of parallel sides So x plus x minus 8 into distance between them is given 20. So 2, 10 या 20. This is given in the meter converted to centimeter. So 0.05 multiplied by 100 into 100 because it's 12 is given. Decimal point remove, 2 0 increase equal x plus x 2x minus 8 into 10. The left side we have 500 divided by 10 equal 2x minus 8. So 2x equal 50 plus 8. 2x equal 50 plus 8. So we have 2x equal 58, x equal 58 upon 2, 2 to 4, 2 9 18. So x equal 29 centimeter. Final length of the longer brother side. So longer brother side be x because another is x minus 8. So the longer side is 29 centimeter. Now discuss question number 11. Find the area of kite whose diagonals are given 18 centimeter and 6.4 centimeter. Question number 11. Find out the area of kite. Diagonals are given. First diagonal D1 18 centimeter and D2 equal 6.4 centimeter. Find out area. Apply the area of formula of area of kite. So area of kite formula is same as the area of rhombus. 1 by 2 product of diagonals 1 by 2 D1 into D2. So 1 by 2 D1 is given 18 and D2 is 6.4. Then solve 2 9 18. So 9 into 6.4 centimeter square. Then multiply 9 4 is 36. 3 is carry decimal point 9 6 is 54 plus 3 57.6 centimeter square. So area of kite is 57.6 centimeter square. Now question number 12. Each side of rhombus is given 15 and one of its diagonal is given 18 centimeter. Find the area of rhombus. Each side of rhombus is given 15 centimeter. And we know that according to the property of rhombus, the diagonals of rhombus bisect each other at right angles. So take ABCD or rhombus. O is the intersecting point of diagonals bisect at right angles. One diagonal is given 24. One diagonal is given 18 centimeter. So when we bisect it, that is divide two parts, so 9 and 9 centimeter and 9 centimeter. Find out the other diagonal. So apply the Pythagoras property in triangle AOB. In triangle AOB by Pythagoras theorem. By Pythagoras theorem, find out AO. AO square equal OB square AB square minus OB square. AB is given 15, so 15 square minus and OB 9, 15 square minus 9 square. So square of 15 to 25, the square of 9 81. So when we subtract 144. So AO equal and the square root of So other diagonal AC equal 2 into AO. So 2 into 12, 12 to ja 24 centimeter. So we have to find out the other diagonal AC, and one diagonal is BD is given 18, and apply the formula area of rhombus. So area of rhombus equal 1 by 2. 1 is 18, other diagonal is 24. 18 into 24 centimeter square. Then divide by 2, 2 9 18. So 24 9 ja 9 4 ja 36, 9 2 ja 18 plus 3 21, 216 centimeter square. So area of rhombus is 216 centimeter square. So this time we have to solve the questions based on rhombus and trapezium. Now question number 13. Area of rhombus is given 394 meter square, and one of its diagonal is given 24. What is the perimeter of rhombus? So solve the question by yourself. First you have to find out the other diagonal, then apply the Pythagoras theorem. You have to find out the side of the rhombus. When we have find out the side of rhombus, then apply the formula of perimeter of rhombus. So we know that in perimeter we have all sides are equal. So same formula as in perimeter of a square. Perimeter of rhombus equal 4 into sides. Now question number 14. The parallel sides of trapezium are given 40 and 70 centimeter. If the non-parallel sides are equal, each being 25, then find the area of trapezium. So parallel sides are 40 and 70 centimeter. So this one is 40 centimeter and this one is 70 centimeter. And non-parallel sides are equal, each being 25. 25 centimeter and 25 centimeter. So first we have to find out the distance between the parallel sides, that means height. So draw a perpendicular So this one is 40, this one also 40. The remains 30, so divide into parts, so 15 and 15. Then apply the Pythagoras in any triangle. So by Pythagoras theorem, find out the side at the A, B, C, D, E and F in triangle AFB. By Pythagoras theorem in triangle AFB, find out AF. So AF square equal AB square minus FB square. AB is given 25, so 25 square minus 15 square. Square of 25, 625, and square of 15, 225. So when we subtract, we get 400, and 400 is the square root of 20. So AF equal 20 centimeter. AF equal 20 centimeter. This is the distance between parallel sides. Then find out the area of trapezium. So area equal 1 by 2. Sum of parallel sides 40 plus 70, and distance is 20. 2 10 are 20. 40 plus 70 110. 110 into 10 equal 1100 centimeter square. So 1100 centimeter square is the area of this trapezium. Now question number 15. A picture frame has outer dimension 48 by 36 and inner dimensions are given 40 cm by 28 cm. Find the area of each section of the frame if the width of each section is the same. So a picture frame is given. Outer dimension is 48 by 36, 48 centimeter and 36 centimeters, and inner dimensions are 40 and 28, 40 centimeter and 28 centimeter. So is the 48 and 40. So we have that is 4 centimeter. Distance between them is 4 centimeter. In the other side remains same because width remains same. Then find the first type area of first type frame. So in the shape of trapezium, so we have to apply the area of trapezium 1 by 2, sum of the sides 40 plus 48, and distance between them is 4. Because this is the 48 and this is the 40. So 48 minus 40 we have 8. We divide into two parts, so 4 and 4. By 4 centimeter square. 2 2 ja 4. So 40 plus 48 we have 88. 88 into 2. 88 2 ja 176. 176 centimeter square. So this is the area of these two frames, upper and lower frames. Then find out the area of left and right frame. Area of left and right frame. Again apply the formula area of rhombus 1 by 2. Sum of the sides. The sides are 28 and 36. 1 by 2, 28 plus 36. And distance, that is given same 4 centimeter. So by multiply by 4. 2 2 ja 4. 28 plus 36 equals to 64. So 64 into 2. So 64 2 ja 128 centimeter. So this is the area of these two frames which are given the left side and right side, and this is the area of both upper and lower frames. Because both the upper and lower frames have the equal sides and distance between them are equal. Similarly, the lower left and right frames, parallel sides are same and distance between them is also same. So these two frames have same area, and these upper and lower frames also having the same area. Now discuss as question number 16. Find the area of rhombus whose side is 8 cm and whose altitude is 5 cm. If one of its diagonal is 10 cm long, then find the length of the other diagonal. So we know that rhombus is also a parallelogram. So we apply the formula same as area of parallelogram, base into height. So the side becomes base and altitude is given 5 cm. In question number 16, side is given 8 cm and altitude is also given 5 cm. So first we have to find out the area of rhombus. Area of rhombus, base into height. because rhombus is also a parallelogram. So this side is base 8 into altitude, that is height 5. 8 5 ja 40 centimeter square. So this is the area of rhombus. Then one diagonal is given 10 centimeter. That D1 is given 10 centimeter. You have to find out D2. Find out the other diagonal. So apply the formula, area of rhombus 1 by 2 D1 into D2. Area equal 1 by 2 D1 into D2. We have to find out area. 40 equal 1 by 2 D1 10 and D2 is unknown. We have to find out. 2 5 are 10. So D2 equal 40 upon 5. 5 8 are 40. So D2 equal 8 centimeter. So the length of the diagonal is 8 centimeter. Now the last question of exercise 11.2, question number 17. Find the area of quadrilateral ABCD in which diagonal AC is given 15 centimeter. AC is given 15 centimeter and the length of perpendiculars from B and D on AC are 3 and 5. That means these are H1 and H2. H1 is 3 centimeter and H2 is 5 centimeter. Then apply the formula of area of quadrilateral 1 by 2 into diagonal multiplied with the sum of heights. Area of quadrilateral ABCD equal 1 by 2 diagonal H1 plus H2. Put the value of all of these. 1 by 2 diagonal is AC 15, H1 is 3, H2 is 5, 3 plus 5 centimeter square. 1 by 2, 3 plus 5 8 centimeter square. 2 4 ja 8 and 15 4 ja 60 centimeter square. So area of this quadrilateral is 60 centimeter square. So we have completed exercise 11.2, which is based on some of the shapes of quadrilateral in the form of trapezium, rhombus, kite, quadrilateral, parallelogram. So solve the questions. If you have any doubt, then ask on WhatsApp class.